The world is changing faster than ever. In 2026, you don't need a boss, a boring office, or a traditional 9 to 5 to build real wealth. All you need is an internet connection and the power of AI. Today, I'm going to show you the absolute lazy way to make at least $100 every single day using simple AI tools that do most of the work for you. First, let's talk about AI-generated art. Tools like Midjourney or Canva AI allow you to create stunning, high-end visuals that you can sell as digital prints or stock images globally. Second, start a faceless YouTube channel, just like Wealth Wisdom AI. You use AI for your scripts, AI for the voice, and AI for the visuals. It's a passive income machine that works while you sleep. Third, offer AI copywriting services. Businesses are desperate for emails, blogs, and ads, and you can generate them in seconds. The best part? You can manage this entire business from your couch, wearing your pajamas. Financial freedom is no longer a dream. It's a choice. Subscribe to Wealth Wisdom AI right now, and let's unlock your future together.